Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a video. Today is April 23rd and it's 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. And what I would like to do is just give some information about this wonderful opportunity that I'm involved in. For those that don't know, I'm a stay-at-home mom of two and I've been online since 2015. I had my breakthrough and actually started earning a full-time income in the end of 2016. And I'm going to, of course, show some proof of the system that I've been using, and I've been showing others how to generate a full-time income using the system. So a lot of people think that there's there's a lot of people that want to make money online, and there's a lot of people that think that they don't have the skills or what it takes to make money online. But it's actually pretty simple. If you have the right program, you have traffic, and you know how to follow up with that traffic. So in my group, it's called the Freedom Takers Group. I show people exactly how to do that. This program I'm about to introduce you to, I've been involved since September of 2017, and I've generated thousands of dollars utilizing the system. Over the last 3 weeks, I have made over $9,500 using this program, and I'm just blown away by the results. My sponsor told me to just run traffic to the opportunity, to stay consistent, and I will see the results that I was looking for. And I'm glad that I chose to do that, because now I can live the life that I want by working with my laptop and Wi-Fi. So I'm going to share my screen with you and just show you my results, and then I'm going to introduce you to this program. I'm not going to keep you long, but you definitely want to stay to the end, because I have something in store for all of those that love the opportunity when they take a look at it and decide to join my team. So here, this is my Gmail account, and over here is, as you can see, this is my face, and here's my name. And what I'm doing right now is I'm actually running traffic. And what I show people how to do is run paid traffic or free traffic. And you can literally do this on a budget. Like I said, I'm a mom of two. When I started this opportunity, I didn't have a big budget. I used a lot of free traffic, but I learned how to do it the right way so that I really didn't want to deal with rejection. So I did it in a way where I had people actually coming to me using something called attraction marketing, and that's also something that I teach. So right now you can see I have 400 opt-ins, which means 400 people actually put their email address into my capture page. And that's when the magic actually starts to happen, because when you have people that opt into your list, and they get on your list, they go through your autoresponder that gives them information about your program and what it is that you currently do, okay? And so right now, for this week, I'm at the beginning stages of earning commissions. I have 3 gold customers that came in. At the gold level, you get paid $20 per person. So this is a total of $60. Here I have 3 gold members. That's another $60. And if you go down, you can see I have some diamond members. Every time a person comes in at the diamond level, that's a $100 commission. So on the 20th, I made $100. On the 19th, I made $200. On the 18th, $200. And, you know, it just really goes on and on and on. So here at the diamond level, it is a one-time payment of $147. It allows you to get unlimited $100 commissions. At the highest level, which is our platinum level, you pay a $497 one-time payment and you get unlimited $400 commissions. When you see these fast start bonuses, that means you just earned a $400 commission. What I'm going to do is type in fast start bonuses so we can see approximately how many of those I actually received since I've been in this opportunity. So here, you give me 1 second, baby. So I'm sorry about that. It's my daughter. So here you can see I had one here on the 16th. Here, another one on the 16th. This is from someone on my team producing results. Here on the 14th, I had one. On the 11th, on the 10th. Here on the 6th, I had one. And it just keeps going on and on and on. Here on the 28th of March, the 25th. Here's from the efforts of my team on the 24th, on the 23rd, on the 22nd. So what I love about this opportunity is you pay a one-time fee of $497 and you get unlimited $400 commissions. So this could go on forever and ever and ever. And as you can see on the 20th, I had two $400 commissions that came in. On the 19th, a $400 commission. And what I do is I show people how to duplicate my results. And all I'm doing is sending cold traffic to a done-for-you funnel. It includes a share code. You copy and paste the share code into the system, and it allows you to come up with the same capture page, same sales page, same autoresponder that we use. If you want to take it a step further, I show people how to use Aweber, and it's really simple to do. So this opportunity is called the Power Lead System. And for those who have not heard about the Power Lead System, they've been around for many of years. I want to say since 1993. They pay out every single week on Wednesdays. I have a ton of commissions that came in over the past few weeks. And it's just been an incredible opportunity because I didn't know at first that it was really this simple to earn commissions on a consistent basis using a done-for-you funnel. I thought I needed to learn how to make capture pages, make sale pages, how to, do the autoresponder. But when you have all of that done for you and you're just copy and pasting the share code, it makes it much easier. And I'm actually using a share code that I received from my downline. So it's really that simple. Just going back, as you can see, when I first started, I wasn't running traffic. I was using free methods and I was making $32, $112, $52. But as you can see in October, hundreds of dollars. And then looking at November, thousands of dollars. In December, thousands of dollars. Again in January. And it just gets bigger and better as time goes by. And it's just a great opportunity. You don't have to worry about waking up and the system not being here anymore, the door shutting down on you and you're not able to actually bring in money anymore. This is a legitimate company. They have a Facebook group of over 43,000 members in it. Our Freedom Takers group, which has been around since November of last year, has over 3,000 members. It's a very active group, and you're going to really learn a lot when you start this program. So if you're interested in this, what I'm doing for this week and for next week, when you get involved and you actually decide to sign up as a diamond and platinum member, I will actually set up your funnel for free. So you won't have to worry about setting up your funnel or learning how to set up your funnel. I will actually do it for you. And I will also do it for your downline. So people that come in under you as well, they'll have their funnel set up too. We do have step-by-step training on how to set up your funnel, but I'm going to be taking care of the funnels for my team for this week and next week. As a platinum member, you will have access to our platinum Facebook group. It shows you how to drive unlimited traffic using free methods. And you're going to also get access to our share code that allows you to utilize Aweber autoresponder. By putting in a code, you'll be able to copy all of the email swipes that I currently have that I use for people that opt into my capture page, okay? And we also have a co-op where you can purchase traffic if you want. If you want to do free, you can also do that. So if you like what you see in this video and you want to get started, you want to learn more about the Power Lead System, how to use it correctly, how to build momentum and leverage with this opportunity like you wouldn't believe, my link is in the description below, and how to reach me is also in the description below. I'm available. I work from home. This is what I do all day. So I'll be here to answer any questions that you need, and I'll be here to also help you to get started. So thanks so much for viewing my video. Thanks for tuning in. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks so much. Have a great night.